Yeah, come, bring that camera.
On election, are you Team Peter Obi or Team Tinubu? On election, are you Team Peter Obi or Team Tinubu?
I'm not a Yoruba man. I'm a Yoruba person.
Don't worry. What's he here for you? Tinubu, I'm not a Igbo man. I'm a Yoruba person. Now, this is where the problem is. In the country where we are fighting for solution, people like this now will kill us. They will kill us. We are dead already. Now, for me, the only solution to survive in Nigeria is to make money because now poor man they kidnap or now they see her. So poor man no get hope. Now let me tell you something. I don't want to say tribalism is the problem of Nigeria. And many people like say they support Igbo, but I'm not supporting anybody. But sad fact is tribalism is the problem of Nigeria. Now I will not say Yoruba is the problem or Igbo is the problem or Hausa is the problem. But look at this guy. Look at this guy. Just because you are Yoruba does not mean you cannot tell yourself the truth. That the person from your tribe that is ruling the country is not ruling it well. You just have to. So look at this guy now. So if you want to vote for Tinubu now, you are voting because he's a Yoruba man.
No reason.
They never kill this guy family. They think he's a Tinubu now. They don't know you. You know how many Yoruba people they don't kidnap? I'm talking to the people that are supporting Tinubu because he's a Yoruba man. Do you know how many Yoruba people have been killed? Tinubu don't know you people, so stop. Don't come here and be doing tribalism type shit. It's not right. It's not right. And tomorrow, if an Igbo man should rule in that seat and the Igbo man is not doing well, or God come Igbo people, tell that person truth. Oh, Nigeria has to be good. Nigeria is spoiled. Nigeria don't spoil. It don't go. Me, I'm not safe for you. When they do say this is now the poor man, celebrities, celebrities, come and talk. Come and use your page. Nigerians, this is the poor masses who they fight for. These are them. Look at them. This is the poor masses. Come and use your page and talk about the country. Celebrities, all these online protests, they work and it will come. Tinubu know they see our videos, you know, send us. This is the sacrifice we are talking about. See, 2027 election, if we should continue like this, Tinubu is our winner. Me, I'm a very realistic person. I don't paint my words. Tinubu will rule us. He will rule us 2027, 2028, 2029, and 2030. That man no go die. So unless we are ready to, you see what happened in 2020. Today, on the SARS for road. There's no SARS on the road again. Because back in 2020, they search boys' phone, people's privacy. We don't see something like that on the road again. And it was because of the blood we lost. They saw how serious we were. They saw how tired the youths were. They came out in full force in unity. Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa youth came out. And we made a change. So if we are ready to make another change, all these online videos on that they make, oh God, that man no road, Tinubu no road. That man senior also, not be our mate be that too. I respect you, sir. Honorable, that man is not our mate. So all this one I do, we have to show seriousness in unity. Stop this tribalism. I'm Yoruba and Igbo. Come, all of us now human being, and if they cut any of us, now blood will come outside. If they hear me, so not gonna say because you be Yoruba, if they cut your body now water, now blood will come outside. They will kidnap you, Igbo, Yoruba and Hausa, bandit to cut on her head. As na never serious, but none of us are safe. The only people that are safe now from the current situation of the country is rich people. So I believe maybe, I don't know the plan of Tinubu, maybe he won't kill all the old poor people. I don't know that this man they see only Jew wagon for road. Because basically the rich people are not being affected by the country. Let's be sincere. The only reason why rich people are talking right now is because they have sympathy for the poor. But they have the money to survive in the country. So basically, if you want to survive in Nigeria, survive. Go find money, oh guy. Time don't they go. Because bro, I buy pure water 115 naira yesterday. Pure water. Chingom 115 naira. Chingom was 10-15 naira. When Nigeria was good, Chingom where you go chop, you know go even swallow it through him. 2 Chingom is 100 naira. Guy, if you continue this thing, no fit chop Chingom for 2029. Chingom 1 go be 500. No go work.